Wisconsin, on June 28, 2025, a Pleasant Prairie trooper attempted to stop a vehicle for a stop sign violation. The driver refused to stop, initiating a high-speed chase that reached speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour and continued into Illinois. Pleasant Prairie officers and other agencies made multiple attempts to deflate the vehicle's tires. While the first two attempts failed, the final deployment successfully helped bring the chase to a safe conclusion.
I'm going to box him in again up here. I'm in front of him. Let's see if we can get it, guys. Contact. 2-9 intentional contact. 2 squads have been hit. We need to end this. Two 9 stopped here.
This is the Pleasant Prairie Police. All occupants of the Honda Civic, you are under arrest.
The fleeing driver struck several vehicles during the incident but was ultimately apprehended without further trouble. The driver now faces charges including felony fleeing/eluding, 5 counts of first-degree reckless endangerment, hit and run, and charges related to possession of cocaine and operating a motor vehicle while under the influence of alcohol.
Let's get him back.
Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, on July 21, 2025, at approximately 1 a.m., an Oklahoma City police officer was patrolling near Southeast 29th Street when a red truck began drifting over the center line into oncoming traffic. When attempts to stop the teen driver failed, the suspect led police on a brief but dangerous chase through residential streets. During the pursuit, the truck struck a police cruiser, a parked car, and even drove through a front yard before finally crashing into a telephone pole. After officers surrounded the vehicle, the suspect surrendered without further resistance, though he appeared distraught. A search of the truck revealed a partially consumed alcoholic beverage, and a strong odor of alcohol was noted throughout the vehicle. The teen now faces a slew of charges, including assault and battery on an officer, driving under the influence while under 21, leaving the scene of an accident causing damage, reckless driving, and fleeing police.
Show me your hands right now! Show me your hands!
Your call has been updated. Your call has been updated.
On unit 1033.
Right hand! Put your right hand up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Everybody slow down. We got enough out here.
Hey, get your hand up.
Show me your hands!
Your call has been updated.
Get your hands up! Go!
I really care.
Thurston County, WA, on July 17, 2025, Olympia police detected a stolen vehicle using an automated license plate reader, prompting officers to attempt a traffic stop. The situation quickly escalated. The driver sped down highways at speeds up to 130 miles per hour, recklessly swerving between lanes and streets in an attempt to flee. Thurston County Sheriff's Office deputies coordinated a deliberate response, deploying spike strips and an arresting device designed to safely disable fleeing vehicles by securing to a rear tire.
Received Ops 4 is going to be on a code 10 for county pursuit on Ops 4.
We're losing sight of that traffic. Don't know if it's north or south of town.
Received losing sight in traffic unknown as north or south at I-5.
4106, I'm at northbound I-5 at the Plum Street.
Radio Evergreen 1, I'm behind county on 101. Okay. We will be going southbound I-5. .48, 100, were you able to stay behind it?
I'm not behind him this time.
It's on the southbound ramp to I-5, crossing the right shoulder. I've got eyes about a quarter mile from me.
Yes, killer.
You see it?
Yes, he made another right.
It'll be eastbound Maytown. Median, authorized.
City 163, just set up space outside median and offering.
80 on position 1 now, we'll grab it.
We're doing pretty, we're passing 193rd Avenue right now.
80, I'm gonna go for a grapple.
Fully PD, go for a grapple.
Good grapple, felony stop.
Good grapple.
South at 93rd, we'll be on film stuff.
Let's see some fucking hits.
31 for felony stop.
The pursuit ended when a deputy's patrol car successfully activated the device, causing the stolen vehicle to skid and come to a stop. The driver, who was wanted on several felony warrants in King County, was taken into custody without further incident and booked into jail on charges of possession of a stolen vehicle and attempted escape.
We have another? Alright, moving up. I'm fanning out. Visually clear from here. I'm gonna move in. Yep. Driver's side clear. Passenger. Yeah, hit trunk. Good.
Cobb County, Georgia, on June 24, 2025, Cobb County Police responded to 911 calls regarding a small tractor-trailer driving recklessly and nearly striking other vehicles. An officer spotted the truck on the Dallas highway and attempted a traffic stop, but the driver fled. The pursuit led to the northbound and southbound lanes of Barrett Parkway as the driver attempted to evade officers. Cobb County officers then discovered the truck was also stolen, adding to the list of charges for the suspect.
Very eastbound, wrong way, continuing. 52. Just got into the eastbound lanes of travel down the correct direction. We have a unit in front and 3 behind them. Yeah, boy, try to ram police vehicle, continuing. We're going to notify GSP.
7514, he's now entered the other lane of traffic, and now he's just crashed back over to the correct lanes. So you can get a helo. 1022, he's wrecking. He just wrecked out radio.
Okay. Just get away from the car. Come try. Let me see your hand.
Keep your hands visible! Put your hand up! Watch it. Watch her! Yes, sir! Watch her! Get off the road! Walk away! What do you say? Away! I'm personal.
Thornton, Colorado, on July 16, 2025, at approximately 3:47 a.m., an officer from the Thornton Police Department requested assistance from the Colorado State Patrol regarding a recovered stolen Ram pickup truck. Troopers caught up with the truck and attempted an apprehension, but were initially unsuccessful. After a failed first attempt to deploy the grabber device, the pursuit extended onto southbound I-25. There, troopers successfully secured the grabber onto the fleeing truck. However, the maneuver caused both the suspect vehicle and the patrol car to strike the median, disabling them. The trooper was uninjured, but the suspect fled on foot before being apprehended by Thornton officers a short distance away.
Crash. I got a good grapple though. Southbound I-25 at 84th.
I copy. The vehicle crashed or you crashed?
Pleasant Prairie. Sandy Springs, Georgia, on April 28, 2025. A Sandy Springs traffic unit officer was conducting a speeding investigation on Interstate 400 when a Jeep Wagoneer was observed traveling at 140 km per hour, km/h, in a 100 km per hour zone. The vehicle was also observed recklessly passing other drivers. When the officer attempted to stop the vehicle, the driver chose to flee, escalating the situation into a pursuit. During the pursuit, the suspect drove into the emergency lane and blatantly disregarded traffic signals. The suspect was ultimately apprehended and arrested without further incident.
He's getting the right shoulder right now. Speed's 83. Taking 76. Eyes, Roswell, approaching there. Which my closest unit? If it opens up, I can set up for a pit. Readvise just your location. Clear. We're approaching Holcomb Bridge. Looks like you might be taking Holcomb Bridge past Roswell. Alright, we're continuing through Market Boulevard, straight through Market Boulevard, still eastbound. Speed 60, we're going east of Old Alabama, continuing through Old Alabama. Traffic is medium, going to light. Not in anybody else's lane. Traffic, I'm continuing for now. Speeds right now are 50, 51. Alright, I'm setting up for a pit. Black male driver. Alright, we're going through Evans, turning left on Evans, northbound. Failed pit, no contact made. We're north on Evans, that's left, north on Evans. No traffic, setting up for another pit. We're gonna turn right on Scott. Correction, left on Scott, has contact, left on Scott. That is left on Scott, it's back westbound, left on Scott. Traffic is light, setting up for another pit. Alright, we're back at Holcomb Bridge, going right, that's back westbound, Holcomb Bridge. Pit. Hey, let me see your hands! Hands! Get out of the car! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I see one occupant. Get out of the car! Show me your hands! Get out of the car! Hey, I'm in front. I'm not walking in front of him. I got both hands. Hey, I'm coming to you, okay? Hey, I'm doing something. Just hold him, okay? Coming to you, coming to you. I still only see one. All right, you're lethal here. Hey, if you move, bro, if you move, you're done. Ready?
I'm not moving.
Step out. Get out of the car.
Step out of the car.
No, you
You're
bring me out the
lethal.
car.
You're lethal.
Yes, gotcha.
Lethal.
Gotcha.
You bring me out the car.
Step out of the car.
I don't want to
You're
get
left.
shot, so you bring me out the car, sir.
Step out of the car.
Do not move. You hear me?
Sir, I'm not moving.
Do not move.
I'm not resisting. I'm not moving. Period.
Open the door. With your right hand only. Open the door.
No, sir.
Open the door now.
Sir.
Open the door now.
Hey, I'm a holster. I'm a holster.
Sir, I can't get the door. Okay.
I got arms.
Oh my God, y'all got to go through all this just to get the door?
Get out and on the ground. Out and on the ground. Out and on the ground.
On the ground. On the ground.
Oh, I got it. You made a mistake of